This video describes how to use pluggable authentication modules, PAM for short, to limit access to specific users. The key to the security feature is the PAM_listfile.so module, available in the lib/security directory. Generally, to make sure the command respects what you do with the module, you'll want to insert the module atop the file, unless of course there's a root OK module in that file. Let's take a look at the configuration file associated with the halt command. There is a root OK module in the file, so we insert the list file module after that, as we don't want to override root user privileges. The way this module limits user access depends on the options you add to the command. First, the on_error =succeed is sort of a safety valve. In case I forget to configure the etc/users file correctly, this command will still work. It'll just ignore this specific directive. Next, the item option limits the type of list file access that is configured. We choose item =user because we're focused on user level restrictions. Next, there's the sense option. Based on the file in question, if a user is seen in the file, in this case, access is allowed. Finally, the file option specifies the list, in this case, the list of users to be configured. Now let's sum up. For the PAM module as configured, I could forget to create the etc/users configuration file, and the on_error =succeed option would save me, leaving halt as a usable command. The item =user option specifies user level restrictions as configured in the file etc/users file. And the sense =allow means that users in etc/users are allowed access to the halt command. That's it for the videos in this RHCE course. Congratulations! Remember, to pass the RHCE exam, you need to practice installing Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 per the latest RHCE exam prep guide. Practice creating problems with Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 systems, so you can recognize them during your exam. Practice configuring Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 network services for basic shares and configure them for basic operation. Practice with key tools like the security level configuration, the SE Linux management tool, as well as service-specific tools. And of course, I encourage you to review the videos in this course as you need them. Thank you for listening, and good luck on your exam.